Good morning, students. Today's topic is profit and loss. Today we will deal with the terms related with profit and loss. So here the first of all you will come with the two terms CP and SP. The CP stand for cost of purchasing and SP stand for selling price, right? So CP is equal to cost of purchasing and SP is equal to selling price. What do you mean by cost of purchasing and what do you mean by selling price? You must have gone to some shops to buy your pen, pencil, books, copies. So have you wondered why they have selling these things? Why they are selling these things? To have opened the shops and then sitting over there for a whole day and then giving you some items, because they need some work, and that is their work only. And why they work to earn money. And how they earn money? They went to the wholesaler, buy something in some lower prices and giving us to in some higher prices, and whatever is the differences over there, that is their profit, and by that they are earning. Say for example, I have to buy this uh, marker pen, and I don't have to go to wholesaler, I don't have to go to factory. What they do is, first of all, factory made this thing and they give it to the wholesaler, because they have prepared this, so some costing is over there. So they said ki okay, I will give it to you, but because my costing is 15 rupees plus something I will take as a profit, so he will sell it to a wholesaler in some price, whatever, say you can say 25 rupees. In 25 rupees, factory gave it to wholesaler. So for this, cost price for this is equal to how much? 25 rupees. Now wholesaler gave it to retailer, that shopkeepers where you go. He says ki okay, I will give it to you, but this time I will be charging as selling prices what? 25, 30 rupees. So the wholesaler selling price is 30 rupees, and that equals to cost price of retailer. Now the retailer will sell to its customer again by having some profit. So it will give us the selling prices 35 rupees, right? So depend upon where we are purchasing. And for them also CP will be something, because they have to buy some raw materials to make this marker pen. So say CP is equal to 20. So CP is 20, selling price is 25. For them, selling cost price is 25 because they are purchasing in this item and now they are selling in 30 rupees. For retailer, cost price is 30 rupees and the selling price is 37. Everywhere the persons are having some profit. So what is the profit over here? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. And what about the profit percent? The profit percent is known as profit by CP into 100. Right? Sometimes we get loss also. Not in every cases, but yeah, sometimes we get the loss also. How we can consume the loss is when my cost price is greater than my selling price. So when CP is greater than selling price, so my loss will be equal to CP minus SP. See, I am a flower vendor. I am selling flowers. And what I do is ki for 100 rupees I purchase the flowers uh, to sell it, but somehow my not a single flower has been seen out. So what I try to do is ki, because if I leave the flower for the next day, it will be rotten, it will be just waste, I will not get a single money. So what I will do is ki, whatever my cost price is there, I will reduce it. I will say ki okay, whatever money I will get, because the next day it will be a waste for me. That flowers will be totally wasted out. So I will sell it in 90 rupees only if it possible for me. Because if I will not sell it, I will not get anything. But if I sell it in 90 rupees, having a loss of 10 rupees, still I am earning 90 rupees. Otherwise, it has been lost to me. So this time my loss will equal to how much? 100 minus 90, that is equal to 10. And what about the loss percentage? Loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. This is the formula for profit and profit percentage. Profit and profit percentage is also known as gain or gain percentage, and your loss and loss percentage. So student, for this thing we are having CP, SP, profit oblique gain, you can say anything, profit or gain, and loss. So in these four items, and after this we can have this profit percentage and loss percentage. So apart in this, if we are giving selling price, profit percent and CP. So these are the formulas for solving this. If you have to find selling price, if cost price and profit percent is given, then selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into cost price, and CP is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit percent into selling price. If selling loss percent is given, then selling price is equal to 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP, and CP is equal to 100 by 100 minus loss percent into CP. Now, come back to exercises question. So, exercise question 11A is given by find the SP when CP is equal to 950. I will write over here only. CP is equal to 950. Okay. And gain is equal to how much? 6%. So profit percent is 6 and CP is equal to 950. I will substitute over here 100 plus 6 upon 100 into 950. That is equal to 106 by 100 into 950. And I will solve for my values and I will get the value. What is the value? 5 19s are, 5 2s are, 2 5s are, and 3. 53 into 19. Whatever be the value comes out, that becomes the selling price. Okay. And similarly, in the next question, CP is given, gain percent is given, you have to find. Again, CP is given, loss percent is given, so you have to find out the SP over here. CP is given and loss percent is there. So, the first question solved by this exercise. Similarly, the second will be done by find the gain or loss percent. So here it will be like this. And question number 3, find the CP when SP is equal to 924, gain is equal to 10%. So you have to find out the CP by this formula. So question number 1, 2, 3 you can do easily. Now question number 4. Now what problem? Question number 4 says, Sudhir bought an Almira for 13,600 and spent 400 on transportation. So, bought for how much? Bought for 13,600 plus transportation charges is how much? Transportation charges is equal to rupees 400. So, cost price is equal to how much? 13,600 plus 400. That is equal to rupees 14,000. So this is our cost price. Not cost price is not this. He has bought and then transportation charges also you will charge on that. No? And he sold it for rupees 16,800. So selling price is equal to how much? 16,800. And now what they are charging? Find his gain percent. So first of all, you will find out the gain. What is gain? Gain is equal to SP minus CP. So it is equal to rupees 16,800 minus 14,000. So this is equal to 2,800. And now gain percent is equal to gain by CP into 100. Now, putting the formulas, 2,800 by 14,000 into 100. Solve it. What is the value? 20%. Right? So this is how we solve this question. And others are also based on this question only. So today I am giving you homework till 10th. 1 to 10th. This is your homework. Okay, students?